Hastini Yaksu Montri Okra Jishnu Deborma Bashijak, Obuna Ani Imam, Roshamutini, Fioguri Zaka, Agortola Mukdodara Holo, Manzaka, Yaksu Montri Okra no Hobui, Juda Juda, Mungunang, Tam Kurung, Samukurung, Adonro.
We acknowledge your precious contribution in the field of art and culture of Tripura. In deep appreciation of your tireless effort and dedication, we are today honored to get this opportunity to felicitate you on this 18th day of December 2020. We remain grateful to you and pray. Thank you.
Sol Rokan Rozali Tomo, Moment Rozali Tomo, Honorable Marcus Deborah.
No, I know nice city. I know la chita ke pai kantai se. Kaisa resap mengresap na itinini o omonani imam. This is my prayer. This is my dream. Let it. Kaisa resap mengresap na itinini o omonani imam. This is my prayer. This is my dream. Let it be forever. Sumubong, hold on, and we will be there.
With this reception, whatever it is, I got it now today. I'm very much happy and thankful to this team. Thank you.
December 2020. We remain grateful to you and pray that you continue to enrich our society. Thank you.
और जोर से बजना चाहिए तलियां देवी और सज्जनों बहुत कमजोर हो रहा है मुझे तलियां
Music lovers of all generations. She recorded for various music directors and sang in many languages like Bengali, Hindi, Kokborok. Omonani Imam team, this is my dream. I extend to you all our warmest welcome, especially to those who travel long distance to our grateful to all the distinguished representatives from various parts of Tripura and from different walks of life who are present with us this
Nice city. I know la chita ke pai kantai se. Nice signal ke ani moko. Nice signal ke ani moko. Nice city, we signal ko angles hawane.
We are made for togetherness. We are made for all of the beautiful things that you and I know. Good evening, everyone. It gives
Hainbang Jotor Mam Sabote, like a couple of Hamzagma, they see each and everyone on behalf of our team. And Tabu welcome speech. Naragani Balay.
একটা প্রোগ্রাম আছে কালচারাল প্রোগ্রাম যেখানে সম্বর্ধনা দেওয়া হয়েছে না জন্নাদিকে এবং সাধারণ এটাকে সবকে আর্টিস্ট পুরানো আর্টিস্টদেরকে দেওয়া হচ্ছে এবং এর মধ্যে একটা গান রিলিজ হবে আজকে আমার লেখা গান আমার সুর দেওয়া গান অমনা আনি হিমাং মানে এটা আমার স্বপ্ন সেটা একটা আশার গান একটা অ্যান্থেম অফ হোপ আপনারা শুনবেন এবং সেটা আজকে ওয়েবসাইটেও রিলিজ হবে এবং ইউটিউবে রিলিজ হবে আর আজকে বেসিক্যালি গাবেও ওরা
স্যার আপনার এই অনুভূতিটা কেন আসলো গান লেখার যে অনুভূতিটা কেন
মনটা কোন দিকে চলে কেউ রাখতে পারবেন না এটাকে গান তো আমাকে নতুন না হ্যাঁ আমরা সব রাজ পরিবারের লোক সব গান বাজনা নিয়ে খুব পছন্দ করি আমরা জন্নাদি আছেন এখন আগে জিজ্ঞেস করুন ওনার সঙ্গে আমরা বহুত প্রোগ্রাম করেছি আগে
এই প্রথম ক্যাসেট রিলিজ আপনার
ক্যাসেট একটা গান এটা গান বিশেষ করে এই গানটা হলো আজকে ট্রিং আসবে নিউ ইয়ার আছে
The mind seems to work in a very mysterious ways. I never thought in my wildest dream that I'd be writing a song, composing a song, working with this young artist. Many years back, when most of you were not born, I think, me and Jhonna Mona, my Didi, Jhonna Didi, we went to Calcutta and we recorded a cassette. At that time there was cassette, there was no CD, and we recorded the songs of Maharaja Chandra Manikya and Maharaja Bibikram Manikya. They were the spring festival songs. I think because we came to the stage, a little bit of that was played. And then I somehow wandered into the world of politics. Because in life you never know where you'll end up. And I'm still traveling. And destinations don't make a difference actually. It is the journey that makes life interesting. If your journey is interesting, if your journey is, fulfilling, your destination will be fulfilling. It was once green, withers and falls. But if you pursue a passion, your life stays evergreen. I believe in that. And when I was writing this song, I remember a poem that I read in my college days by that great American poet, Robert Frost. And I remember a few lines. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. That was the motto of the song. I am not very good in Hindi, but on the spot translation would be something like this. The वन हरा भरा है, हमको वादा भी रखना है, हमको वादा भी रखना है, विश्रामहीन हमको बहुत दूर जाना है, बहुत दूर पहुंचना है. And that was the theme of this song. And with this young artist, there was Joyanto, with whom I first discussed whether this could be made into a song. Then I met Romeo. He came to interview me for Maharaja Bibikram life story. And I heard his song, the song he sang today. That's my favorite song. And Jaduni Sumoi. Jaduni Sumoi means the magical flute. Jadu ki basuri. It's a beautiful song that he sang today. And in this song we have tried to in my song Ani Himang, which is going to be released in a short while now, I have tried to mix some modern with the folk. We have added instruments, Western instruments along with our own indigenous instruments like the chopling and the saringda and the flute, sumui. But in fusion you have to be very careful that it doesn't become confusion. When you're doing fusion music, you have to be very careful so it doesn't create confusion. And I hope it was not confusion when you listen to it. So in a musical evening, I don't think I should give a more longer speech. I'll do it, in the politics. Here we are come here to listen to music and feel the music. Many people may not understand Kok Borok. But I don't think music needs to be understood. It's meant to be felt. The rhythm is in your heartbeat. I always believe that music, I listen to Carnatic music. I love Carnatic music. Do I understand a word of it? I like the beat. I like the rhythm. I like the feeling, the texture of the song. A song is what it is. It is an emotion, a feeling put across. The words are there. They're just to keep the song in tune. And if you understand the lyrics and the tune, it's much better. We say Sangeet, Sangeet Sangam, Taal, Lay, Sur, Shabd ka Sangam. वही है संगीत. And I hope you'll enjoy it. I thank all